Hey, what's up, guys? Really excited today to share with you the GoHighLevel MCP server that I've built for you guys. It's totally free and open source. This is available right now. I'm going to drop a link in this video down below. I'm not holding anything back. This is live as we speak. And what I want to do just really quick is show you how to use it. So let's do that. I'm going to hop over to my terminal really quick, and you've got to download the code first. So you can get that at the top of the page here on this green button. Just click right here and then click to copy the link. And then we're going to go get clone repo. Great. All right. And so once you have that installed, you're going to cd into it. And you have to have some Python tools installed. We use UV. So if you don't have UV installed, go look that up, go install that. And then you've got to activate your Python environment. So let's do that. And then you've got to install requirements. So let's do that. And should be ready to go. So let's start the server up, and I'm going to show you what happens. This is actually where the magic happens. Authorization is a little bit challenging in high level, as you probably know. So you've got to have a marketplace app. And let me show you really quick. I've built one. I don't know if we're going to keep this one around or not, but it's working right now. It's called Basic Machines. But I'm going to show you how to build your own app just briefly. You've got to come into the app marketplace and create a new app, fill out the basic stuff, and then under auth, click right here. You need to have all of these scopes selected. So just hit pause on the video, add each one of those in, and then down here, you need a redirect URL. Make sure it says localhost :8080 and OAuth callback. So you need that exact thing in there. And then you're going to add a client key right here. And so this is what I'm going to paste into the terminal because it's going to be asking me for that right now. So it's asking me, hey, have you already created an app? I'm going to say yes. All right, so let me go fetch my client ID. I'm going to paste that in here, and I'm going to get the client secret. I'm going to paste that in here, and it's going to authorize me. So actually what it's doing right now is asking me to install the app, right? So this is our Basic Machines app, and we're going to hit next, and then we're going to choose the agency account, and then just hit proceed. And you should see this authorization successful if it worked. And then back over here on the terminal, it's going to tell you how to install it in Claude for Desktop. So these instructions will be custom to your computer. Just open up your Claude config and paste that in, and then it should be working. So let's see if we can get a new conversation. Hi, Claude. Do you have GHL tools? Awesome. All right. So it sees the MCP server. This is not a full implementation of the API. So you guys know the API is pretty big. This is just sort of a MVP, but it should be enough to get you started with. So let's see if it works. I need to ask for the testing instructions from a previous conversation. So let's do that. Hey, Claude, let's see. Can you find the testing instructions in basic memory? Basic memory has helped me build this. I've built it in about 3 days, which has been incredible, but I wouldn't be able to do it without basic memory. It lets me share conversations between Claude for Desktop and Claude Code and Obsidian, which is my text editor. I'm just keeping the instructions in plain text files, basically. And so, yeah, it's looking it up, and that's great. So it found the instructions, and it found our test contact and stuff. So great. So let's see if we can you look up Drew Tester in GHL? All right, let's see if it works. Get contact. So it's calling the API, and look there. found the contact, got all its information. Can you send Drew Tester an SMS message that says, "Hi there"? All right, let me check. It's checking for conversations. It found an SMS conversation and it's sending it to my phone. So give it just a second and hooray, it says it sent it. So it may take a second for my phone to register, but looky there, proof's in the pudding. Hi there. So it's working. I love it. I'm really excited about this. I know this is probably not going to be the only MCP server, but I'm hoping that it's the first of many to come. So I'm really excited for this to be there. So go check it out on the Basic Machines repo right here on GitHub. And you should be able to follow these instructions and go to town. And of course, if you find any problems with it, this is brand new. I haven't tested it super heavily, but there are a lot of tests in here. But let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback. We're going to be improving this. It's going to be fully supported. I hope to add all of the endpoints over time. It's just going to take me a little time to catch up with the bigger teams. So, all right, guys. Catch you next time. Thanks.